Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to mirror your Android phone into your PC, and it's extremely easy. Guys, so let me open up this GitHub page. This is the application that you will need to grab. It's called Screen Copy. Scrappy maybe in short. Go to the releases and download the latest version of this application in the zip file. So just download the zip file, start download, open it up. As you can see, you will have this folder. Just unzip this folder anywhere on your computer. After that, guys, as you can see, I already have it set it up and I already launched it. So the way this works, you're just launching this scrappy nonconsole.vbs. This is the very simple way of launching this application without messing around, for example, with the terminal. But with the terminal you get more customization. But if you prefer simplicity, just launch this scrappy console VBS, and guys, you will have your phone added into your basically Windows, and you'll be able to mirror it. And I'll actually show it to you now. So let me just go to my OBS. Okay guys, and to actually show you that it works, there you go. This is my phone. As you can see with my hand, I'm moving it. It's now being shown on the screen. I can just scroll and read some of the news on my Google Chrome. As you can see, everything functioning perfectly. So guys, this is very easy to do if you want to maybe play video games and see the gameplay on your screen. This is a perfect way to do it. So this is how it's done. It's extremely easy. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.